welcome back to another exciting video with me, Michelle, and
Christian!
And what we're doing in today's video?
We're gonna, from the last video, we get the 5 below, how much you can carry.
Right.
So now we get all this stuff.
Goodies! Christian in our last video went on a challenge to 5 below, and it's ever how much he could carry in his hands without dropping
I got
anything.
5 stuff. She thinks I got 4.
I thought he's gonna be able to carry 4. He carried 5 things. Breaking the bank account here. Breaking the bank account here. Breaking the bank account here. Let's talk about how cute our sweaters are. Oh! Alright guys, let's jump into this video. What was your favorite thing you got from there? That's what you've been wanting?
I've been wanting this forever.
Yeah? We do so many challenges. How have you not got this yet? A fidget spinner with a dimple inside. Shall we open it? Shall I open it?
Yes.
Yes. Finally. Ooh. Test it out. Test it out. Is it as good as you thought? That's a good fidget.
Yeah.
That's a nice pop it inside of a... Okay, let's see if I can do it and try to pop them. Nope. I tried. All right, so that was your favorite.
Yeah.
Show them your second favorite.
You know all those.
Show them the second favorite. There they are. All right, tell them what this is.
So it's a glow-in-the-dark tube.
What? So I don't even think we have any tubes yet, do we?
No.
So this is actually our first set of tubes plus glow in the dark.
Open it. Open it.
I am so excited to see tonight if these truly glow in the dark.
I'm taking another one.
Yes!
Hello.
Oh! Oh! Wait, we got one more. How dare? You think so? These are so fun, guys. This is like the simplest fidget out there, but still so fun. And we continue on. Show them what else is good in our bag.
Third favorite.
Look at these. Cutie fruities. Look at this.
Open it. Open it.
What?
Open it.
Open it. Open it. Okay. Oh, that feels so nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay, next up, what we got?
Lemon?
What? Another pineapple.
And the yellow one.
And a yellow one. Okay, what else we got? What else we got? A watermelon? Watermelon.
Whoa.
That's so cool. Look at this, guys. That one's pretty neat.
Let me see it.
Okay. That's it.
That's a story.
I feel like we kind of got a steal because these were like $5. All right. What is this? Tomato? Is this a tomato?
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah? Show me your tomato.
Yeah, this is tomato.
So cool.
Ah.
You think that's a grape or a purple tomato?
Guys, comment down below. Is this a grape or a pink, a purple tomato?
I'm going purple tomato. All right, let's put those back in there. All right, guys, overall, this pack is pretty awesome for the
Nailed
price.
it.
Nailed it. Shall we continue to show them what we got? This one.
That is my 4th favorite.
Oh, wait. It slides! Whoa! It's going nuts! This is our first water fidget.
Cool.
Catch it. Ready, set. This fidget is awesome. I'm not gonna lie. This is awesome. Okay, let's show. Oh,
I think that's my first favorite.
Oh, now you played with it. I seen this one in there and I could not believe it. I was like, I've never seen this. And he walked by it and I was like, really? So now you think it's going to be like your first favorite?
Oh, yeah, because it slides down.
I know.
Stop it.
You're trying to boss the fidget around?
Last favorite.
Really? Last favorites? All right, guys, we got to pop it. Christmas inspired. Check it out. Just check it out.
Oh!
What do you think? Like an ornament.
It is.
Those colors are really pretty.
Looks like a... what's it called? Candy cane.
Yeah, a candy cane ornament.
Still looking at that silver one.
Yeah. You're just going to pass this one up because now you got this one.
Yeah.
That one's too cool. Okay, guys, we're going to say goodbye here. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this unboxing
This
with
is
us.
like magic. It is magic.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we will see you in the next. Bye!